going to glow up.
My moisturizer. Something is awesome. It's gone wrong.
Is it cute? Hey guys, so welcome to this week's video. Today I am going to glow up. I feel like lately I haven't really been feeling myself. The fits aren't fitting, the face isn't face carding, so I just need to do some things to feel myself again, to look good when I go out and to feel good when I go out. So today is the perfect opportunity to do that because tonight I have two birthday things to go to. I have my brother's birthday thing, which is just at medieval time, so it's gonna be really chill. I also have my friend Naomi's dinner/drinks after that. I think today I'm gonna go get stuff done to make me look better, and also I am going to go shopping to look for an outfit for tonight. But right now, I am severely hungover. I just got out of bed. It is 12:30 right now. This is very unlike me. I usually am up and out and about at this time. I'm gonna eat my lunch/my breakfast, which is leftover food from a party that I threw for my friend last night. And then after that, I will be going to get my brows done because they are not looking so good right now. Also, low-key upper lip. I have a little mustache right now. So I'm gonna eat and then we will go out and about.
It's gone wrong. I don't even know if I'm gonna put this in the video, but look at my face right now. I am so mad. Yeah, I got so messed up. The girl used the wrong wax for my face. Look at my face now. I had to go back and be like, hey, my face has hives on it. What do I have to do? And thankfully another waxer helped me out, brought me into a room, put cortisone on my face, gave me aloe, and was like very, very nice. She's like, I'm gonna put it on file to not use that type of wax. She shouldn't be using that type of wax in the first place. Anyways, I genuinely just can't believe what has happened, what has occurred to me, and I'm really upset. So I was going to go shopping right now. Can't do that for a while. I need my face to freaking de-inflame, but hopefully, you know, this all works out afterwards and we still glow up, because what is going on with my face right now? I'm so mad. Oh my god. Okay, I've calmed down. My face has calmed down. I feel like my face is still a little red, but still acceptable for me to go out in, so we will be going shopping right now. Just got home. I ended up going to Aritzia and then buying a dress for tonight. Hopefully it's the vibe. I literally asked my friends, guys, what kind of attire are we wearing? And I didn't get anything very specific, so hopefully this is what the vibe is. But it's so cute. It's like a very, oh, it's inside out, but it's like a very flowy dress, and then it has a backless back, which is gonna be so nice. I will probably do like a little bit of an updo because I feel like that'd be really cute. But very excited to wear this tonight, and I'm probably just gonna do like knee-high boots with it. I think that would be cute together, so that was good. And then I also bought a little face mask that I'm gonna do. It's a hyaluronic acid one. So right now I'm actually gonna take a shower, get all of my grossness from today off of me, and then we will start getting ready. Okay, I'm all clean now. Time for the face mask. This is the Etude hyaluronic acid one. I haven't tried this one, but I think it'll be fine. I mainly wanted a moisturizing mask today because I like when my base is like super glowy for when I put makeup on it. So I think this will be good. Face masks are not something that I do very often. Maybe I should be doing it more often. And the leave-in conditioner that I use is just the Shea Moisture one. As I look like a literal ghost, for some reason, I thought to myself, you know what would be a really good idea? I should wax my arms right now. So that's what we're gonna do. This is the wax that I always use. It's literally just from Amazon, and I've been using it for years now. I only wax my arms. Yeah, I don't know why I thought this was a good idea to do after the fiasco that happened earlier today. But this wax I actually trust, and I've used it before, so I think we'll be fine. Okay, skin's looking nice and glowy from the face mask, and my arms are not hairy, and I love it. It feels so nice and smooth. Now we're gonna finish up
the skincare. So usually I put on the Snail Mucin Essence. I don't know if I need to right now because I just put on hyaluronic acid and I'm pretty sure it's like the same idea. So I'm just gonna go in with my moisturizer, which is the Centella, what is it? The Centella Cream Moisturizer. I have been loving this brand. I think I've been using it for like a year and a half now and it's so good. Now that my arms are all done, I'm just gonna put on some lotion as well onto my arms and my legs. I'm gonna do makeup right now. I just finished drying my hair, but I'm gonna do that later. So honestly, lately, I feel like not myself, which is kind of strange because I feel like I've been doing a lot of things that I like, but then there's just a lot of parts of me that are like, something is off, something is weird. And I recently watched Madeline Argy's podcast where she's talking about chasing your dreams and like saying, you know, if you don't like something with your life, let's figure out the small ways that we can change it, which I thought was like really great advice, because one of the examples that she was using, like, honestly just like getting up and getting ready and putting on makeup in the morning kind of just gave her like a new sense of herself. And I feel like that's something that I haven't been doing a lot most days, unless I'm like actually going out. Like I just walk out of the house not really caring about what I wear or what my face looks, but I just feel like sometimes I need to like rewire my brain to like do something different every now and then to feel more like myself. And I just think there's like a lot of other things in my life that I don't think really align with who I am anymore. I've been going through thinking about my current job right now, and I'm thinking to myself, is it still serving me, or is this something that I need to think about moving on from? And if I am going to move on from it, what is the next step for me? So I know I said in like my last video or a couple videos ago, I was talking about a course that I was doing. I like stopped doing the course for a while, and then I thought to myself yesterday when I was so upset and just thinking about how my life doesn't feel like the place that I want to be, I'm like, well, I was working towards something beforehand and then I just decided to stop doing it. Why did I decide to stop doing it? Honestly, I was probably just like really tired after work and feeling kind of lazy, so I didn't want to do anything. And I just think that I need to start prioritizing things differently instead of prioritizing, you know, like rest, because I get a lot of, and I don't necessarily think that I need all of that. And I think that I need to just stay focused a little bit more and keep myself disciplined and do things that are going to help me be in a space that makes more sense for me to be in. I just thought that I would yap about it a little bit to the camera to help myself feel better, just to talk about it and say it out loud, because I just want to keep myself accountable and make sure that I'm actually doing things that feel right, and if something isn't right, doing things that is going to change it. Yeah, all these thoughts spiral into me being like, I need to glow up. I need to do something else. This is a start. This is like one little piece of me that's going to be healed a little bit today, and then we'll work on the rest later. Okay, makeup look is done. What do we think? I'm gonna work on my hair now. I think my goal for the hair is literally just to do a ponytail and then I'm gonna curl it. But what I want is to have some like volume at the top. Do I know how to do that? Absolutely not, but we're gonna try and figure it out, because I feel like this look would be really cute with the dress that I got. So cute. Can you guys see it? It looks so good. Oh my god. It's gonna look so cute with the outfit. Okay, I do have to leave soon, so I'm gonna put on the outfit and show you guys, and then we're gonna head over to Meetup Times. It looks so cute. Look! Oh my gosh. Okay, let me put on the boots. But this is the fit. What do you think? Is it cute?
Is it giving medieval times? I'm just kidding. Oh, I love the backlist. I think it looks so cute. I feel glowed up now. I feel a lot better actually. I was like looking at myself earlier and I was like, wait a minute. I'm kind of eaten with this one. This is making me feel like I'm a person again. Home from karaoke. Tonight was so much fun. I did a lot and my friends are still at karaoke, but I was so tired. I was like, I need to go home, guys. But thank you guys so much for watching. I know that today is a little bit of a different type of video, but I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you in the next one. Good night.